Hello, I'm making this screencast to show you how you can make the videos more accessible to your liking. So you can go ahead and open any YouTube video, like I opened this one over here. And as the video starts, I'm going to show you how you can use the YouTube available tools to make it more accessible. So as you notice, this video is recorded in English, and to make it more accessible, there are some tools over here that you can use. So if you go to this subtitle closed caption and you click on it, then you automatically see the captions over here. And to kind of play with the caption, you move to the gear over here and you click on it. So it's already in English. So you click on subtitle over here and you see that it's already auto generated. It's in English. So to change that, you can go to auto translate. And from auto translate, you can choose your preferred language. So from here, for instance, you can choose there's um, Chinese simplified, there is Arabic over here, and there's also like like I'm just thinking about the language spoken in my class. So there is also over here, you move all the way down. See, there's German, there's also Hindi, and then you could choose whatever Italian. So I'm going to choose Italian. And sometimes these captions are maybe written in a font that you're not familiar with. So you want to change that. So if you go over here, so we go back to subtitles and then you go to subtitles options. So from the option, you get to change the font style. You get to change the color of the font. So I'm going to turn it back to white. You get to change the font size. So maybe you make it bigger. And you could go also and change background color of the font. So now it's black. Maybe you can turn it to blue. And so these are the options that are available for you. There's more over here, but I just chose the ones that I think are most useful to you. So, and if you don't like that, you can turn the captions off by clicking on the same button. You turn it on, and change the language. You don't like